a small interesting story. The story name is The Wise Fox. So let's start. Fox is wise, but this story is The Wise Fox. Now let's start. Once upon a time, there lived a donkey and a fox. They were best friends. One day, they went to a farm and the donkey ate the grass and the fox ate the ducks and hens. After eating, the donkey began to sing loudly like this. Hee-haw, 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 like that. Now the fox ran away. Hearing this, the fox ran away. The people came and chased the donkey away. Now I have ended my story, but I am going to tell you one more time. Once upon a time, they used a fox, a donkey, and a fox. They were very best friends. One day, they went to a farm. The donkey ate the grass and the fox ate the ducks and hens. After eating, the donkey began to sing loudly. Hee-haw, hee-haw, like that. Hearing this, the fox ran away. The people came and chased the donkey away. Now I have ended my story. Now it's time to say you bye. Bye-bye. Stay home, stay safe, stay still and take care. And don't go outside. Please like to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye. And please try to help others and eat lots of fruits and drink lots of water and stay home. Don't go outside. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.